Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at this expanded edger attachment. Cost $74.97. Here's a look at the RYOBI website. Here's some of the features, specs, what's included in the box, some reviews. Notice here it's got a lot of 5-star reviews, nice amount of 4 stars, so overall good reviews. Here's a glimpse at what people are saying about it. I see someone here says it's just okay, nice and durable. Here's a little bit more of what they're saying. I'll link all this in the description below. If you like this video, you find it useful, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified whenever I have more content. Here's a look at some of the pictures that I had taken before I hit it with the edger. And let's get straight into this review and see what it looks like. I'll show you some more pictures afterwards. Thanks for checking it out. Peace. Today I'm going to check out this attachment, RYOBI edger. It's part of their expanded line. This is the one from last year. It's a little heavier, and it loads a 40 volt battery from the top. This is the newer brushless one right here. It's lighter. You can see it's got a smaller profile. It's lighter, and attachments attach much quicker. So let's see how easy this edger goes on. So instead of turning and turning, it's just a one turn right there. Press this button and it's off. The string trimmer is off. So let's put this edger on, and we're going to be using it like so. It goes in real easy, attaches right there, and tighten. Quick, so it's much easier. This newer one is much easier. So let's see how well this edger works. I kind of let my yard get overgrown in the front for this video, so let's see how well it works. 40 volt battery. This is a 4 amp-hour battery. Nothing special, nothing crazy, and there it goes. Moves just like a gasoline powered one. So if you're curious how well this edger works, let's give it a try. Okay, so as you can see, my yard's nice and overgrown, no straight edges, and we're just going to get straight to it. Alright, edger gave me a nice straight, clean line. Let's continue. I think it's working really well. Alright, I'm going to continue this whole yard. It's kind of a small front yard, standard maybe Maybe about 60 feet front to back, and maybe 30 feet side to side. So let's see also how much batteries left when we are done. We're on the final stretch. I got the fronts working on. I got one or two more lines. Then I'm going to blow it all off and give you a view what it looks like prior to mowing the lawn. And then I'll do another after everything's done. Okay, to do that whole yard trimmed, it took about 2 bars on a 4 amp hour battery. So it's not terrible. It's still got plenty. It's not bogging down or anything. The soil is dry. There hasn't been rain for a few days, and it's been nice and warm in the high 80s. So the soil is nice and dry. Anytime there's wet soil and you try to edge it, in this channel right here, it gets packed because it's ripping the dirt up and it's packing it up here as it's rotating so fast, and then you'll have to take your finger and just like clean it out. I mean, you could do it with the soil being a little wet, but it's much easier if it's dry. So what I'm going to do now is clean up the seams, kind of like right here you got grass growing in a seam, because the edger will not do that. The edger will not you know, do the seams where you might have some grass growing like right here in a, you know, a seam. So you would need to either hit it with a trimmer or a string trimmer, some weed killer or some grass killer, or dig it up. About is these seams right here, the edger will, you know, they can't get in these little seams right here. So, I mean, you shouldn't have grass growing there anyway, so you want to take care of it and kill it with some grass killer. And if you're curious, this is still the same 4 amp hour battery I had. The edger got this right here. Yeah, that's all. It's all cut right here. But in them seams, see how tight that seam is? It can't get, the blade can't get in there. But right here, see, it's still up because it's part of that seam. See that seam right there is cracked, it's growing in between the cracks. Edger will not work in something like that. You have to get a trimmer to get those pieces